Unlocking the power of nature's remedies, clove water stands out as a simple yet potent elixir that offers a multitude of health benefits. Derived from the aromatic flower buds of the clove tree, this infusion is not just a flavorful addition to your beverages but also a treasure trove of wellness advantages. From boosting your immune system and aiding digestion to enhancing sleep quality and supporting liver health, clove water is a powerhouse that can elevate your overall well-being. Let's dive into the remarkable benefits of incorporating this fragrant drink into your nightly routine. Number 1. Aids digestion. Clove water. Stimulate the release of enzymes in your stomach and intestines. Enzymes are crucial because they break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates in food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Clove water can help reduce gas buildup by preventing fermentation of food in the gut, which can often cause bloating and discomfort after meals. It also relieves indigestion by helping food move more efficiently through the digestive tract. Clove water prevents slow digestion, which often leads to indigestion or heartburn, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. Clove water has mild anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce irritation in the stomach lining, often a source of discomfort after heavy meals. In short, clove water helps the digestive process work more smoothly, ensuring your body can access nutrients without the discomfort of gas or bloating. Number 2. Improves sleep quality. Cloves contain magnesium, which has a natural calming effect on the nervous system. This helps relax your muscles and mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Eugenol, the primary compound in cloves, has mild sedative effects that can help reduce stress and anxiety, encouraging a state of calm before bed. This is especially helpful if you tend to feel restless or have trouble unwinding at night. The relaxation effect from clove water helps you maintain a more regular sleep pattern, as it can reduce the number of times you wake up during the night, leading to deeper and more restorative sleep cycles. Clove water also aids digestion and soothes minor body aches, helping you sleep more comfortably without disturbances like stomach bloating or joint pain. In summary, clove water supports your body's natural ability to relax, making it easier to fall into a deeper, more refreshing sleep. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on more natural wellness tips. Number 3. Boosts immunity. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, like eugenol and vitamin C, which protect your cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage cells and weaken immunity, so having antioxidants helps your immune cells stay strong and work effectively. Eugenol and other active compounds in cloves have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. This helps the immune system by directly neutralizing bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that can cause infections. By keeping inflammation in check, clove water supports a balanced immune response, helping you recover faster from illness. White blood cells, WBCs, are the body's primary defense against infection. Clove water can help stimulate WBC production and activity, making it easier for your immune system to detect and fight off invaders. Clove water can also soothe the respiratory tract, reducing the risk of infections in the lungs and throat, where pathogens often enter the body. This added respiratory support strengthens immunity at one of its primary defense points. In short, clove water makes your body better equipped to prevent and fight illnesses, and clove water does this by providing antioxidants, supporting WBCs, and reducing harmful bacteria and viruses. Number 4. Balances blood sugar. Cloves contain compounds that help improve how your body responds to insulin. Insulin is the hormone that helps cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. When cells are more sensitive to insulin, they take in glucose more effectively, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Clove water can also slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This reduces the speed at which glucose enters the bloodstream after a meal, preventing sharp blood sugar spikes that can lead to cravings and fatigue. Chronic inflammation can impair insulin function, which often leads to high blood sugar levels. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves help reduce this inflammation, allowing insulin to work more efficiently. The antioxidants in clove water help protect pancreatic cells from oxidative damage. The pancreas produces insulin, so protecting these cells helps support a steady insulin supply, which is essential for maintaining balanced blood sugar. By helping stabilize blood sugar, clove water can reduce extreme fluctuations that lead to energy crashes, irritability, or tiredness. This consistent energy helps with focus and overall well-being. In summary, clove water helps control glucose levels by enhancing insulin efficiency, slowing sugar absorption, and protecting cells, which together support long-term blood sugar stability and energy balance. Number 5. Supports liver health. The antioxidants found in clove waters, such as eugenol, which protect liver cells from oxidative damage caused by toxins, alcohol, or processed foods. This antioxidant effect helps the liver recover and stay strong in its filtering role. Clove water's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the liver, which can result from poor diet, toxins, or infections. Keeping inflammation low prevents liver scarring, fibrosis, ensuring it can function optimally. The liver plays a central role in detoxification by breaking down harmful substances. Clove water stimulates the liver's enzymes, aiding in faster, more efficient processing of toxins and removing waste products from the bloodstream. Clove water can promote bile secretion, which is crucial for breaking down fats and aiding in digestion. Efficient bile production also helps the liver process fats more easily, reducing its workload and enhancing overall function. Clove water also helps prevent the buildup of fat in liver cells, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease, which can impair liver function over time. Clove water also helps regulate blood lipids, further protecting the liver. In essence, clove water assists the liver in cleansing toxins, reducing inflammation, and enhancing its ability to process fats and nutrients, keeping it resilient and functional. Conclusion: incorporating clove water into your nighttime routine is more than just a delicious ritual and an effective way to enhance your overall health. This fragrant drink offers a holistic approach to wellness. As you settle down for the night, consider making clove water your go-to companion. By nurturing your body with nature's goodness, you not only prepare for restful sleep, but also set the stage for a vibrant and energetic tomorrow. Cheers to a healthier you, one sip at a time.